Yes, yes, yes. No. Dubbing is still going on, and yeah, of course, dubbing is a very important aspect of filmmaking for an actor. I feel, I used to find it very difficult to sort of do the entire scene in such a small room where you don't have anyone to interact with, and you're watching yourself and you're emoting those same emotions. Sometimes it just doesn't happen in that kind of an atmosphere. So, but I think now I'm kind of getting hang of it, and I'm sort of really enjoying it. I like the way you can change a few things. I like the way you can better your performance. I like the way you can play with your own self on the screen, and you can watch the film. So yeah. Yeah, Bareilly Barfi is there. So that also, most of the talkies I think we're done with. We're left with about 2-3 songs. Yeah, Ayushmann and Rajkumar Rao. And that's directed by Ashwini Iyer, who's amazing. And I've had a lot of fun on that film. It's completely opposite to what Rabta is in a way. And it's a small town sort of a girl. The character's really interesting. The people that I've worked with on that film are all very interesting and really great actors. And that's releasing in July. So yeah, it's going to be, thankfully, a very less gap between the releases. Thank you.
So couples in the house,
खिड़की के अंदर
how you met your husband. In today's generation,
Today is the second edition of
खिड़कियाँ
India, where new talents are going to showcase their talent. What do you like to say about this?
No, I mean it's a matter of great pride that Mukesh is hosting Khidkiyan, Mukesh Chhabra Casting Company. I mean, theatre is the platform from which I made my career. All my 15 films, most of the actors have been from theatre. So we need to encourage theatre so that our films flourish. We have lost one of our greatest. In Ompuri, we have lost one of our greatest actors. I mean, it's a irreparable loss, and it's sad. It's sad that we celebrate him while he's we celebrate him posthumously. That is quite a pity.
So do you think it's important for theatre actors to do theatre, for actors to do theatre in order to enhance their performance in their films?
Well, I don't know. My general experience has been that actors who have had theatre experience have been have always blossomed in my films. Whether it is Manoj Bajpayee, Rajkumar Rao, whether it is K.K. Menon, Prashant Narayanan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, there are an endless list of people who have worked with Mohammad Zishan Ayub. They all come from theatre. So I think obviously there's something right in having a theatre background. वो हम थिएटर के बारे में बात करते हैं आज.
खिड़की में खिड़की के अंदर खिड़की हाँ खोलो मैम वीडियो हेलो
Shall I do the video bite on the way back?
Just two questions.
Okay.
Can you tell us about your thoughts on this festival?
See, I have very good thoughts about this festival because it is being done by my brother Mukesh Chabra. And whatever he does it wholeheartedly and from with very good intention. So, if he is doing it, it must be very good.
And and what do you think about theatre as a necessity to become an actor? Do
No,
you
I think
it is
the best
crucial?
actors come from a theatre background, and I would love for I've also from theatre background, but backstage. So I used to manage costumes and in Prithvi Theatre when I was much younger. The discipline that theatre gives you, especially when you see actors who don't remember lines and who can't, and then you see somebody who has a theatre background, and there's a world, of difference. Oh. हाँ. अरे ग्रुप फोटो मेरे फोन के साथ लेना है फोटो के साथ
अच्छा कहाँ पे हो अच्छा ठीक है
अब तो रुकना खिड़की वाले मैम हियर स्ट्रेट मैम सेंटर मैम खिड़की में खिड़की वेट लाइट ऑन है यहां पे थोड़ा साइड सर आगे आ जाइए मैम थोड़ा बाहर आइए वो बाहर आइए ना यार मैम वेट
जी मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू मुकेश छाबरा एंड हिज होल टीम व्हाट ही इज़ डूइंग इज़ वेरी वेरी कमेंडेबल। इस शहर को बहुत ज़रूरत है एक ऐसी फेस्टिवल की जो कि परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे, एक जगह दे, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड हर साल मैं आऊँगी हर साल सपोर्ट करने के लिए खिड़कियों को। भाई बिल्कुल इस शहर में आई थिंक या तो दो तरह के एक्टर्स होते हैं, यहाँ तो जो ऑलरेडी मतलब फिल्म फैमिली से होते हैं या थिएटर से आते हैं। सो आई थिंक एंड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, टेक्नीशियंस, पीपल इन जनरल फ्रॉम इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हैव हैड अ बैकग्राउंड इन थिएटर एंड आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर, क्योंकि मेरा भी ताल्लुक थिएटर से रहा है दिल्ली में एक्ट वन ग्रुप के साथ। मेरे टीचर NK शर्मा जो कि मुकेश के भी टीचर और दोस्त रह चुके हैं। सो आई तो विल कम हियर एवरी ईयर एंड आई थिंक थिएटर बहुत ज़रूरी है फॉर एन एक्टर एज अ फाउंडेशन स्टोन। सो इट्स ग्रेट व्हाट इज ट्राइंग टू डू ओवर हियर। नहीं, इंग्लैंड बहुत लोग जा चुके हैं पहले। Yes. Well, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी क्योंकि मैं अपनी फिल्म वाइसरॉयज हाउस जो कि आज रिलीज़ हुई है UK में, उसे प्रमोट करने के लिए गई थी एंड मुझे नहीं पता था कि फेसबुक हेडक्वार्टर्स में आज तक कोई हिंदुस्तान से नहीं गया। सो बहुत मज़ा आया। दे वर वेरी स्वीट, दे वर लवली, वेरी क्यूट ऑफिस एंड आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन। दे शोड मी अराउंड। हमने एक फेसबुक लाइव चैट किया बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ, फिल्म के बारे में बात की। सो इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस। उसके अलावा मैं अंदर जाके भाई प्ले देखना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू।
चलेगा